Been over a year since I have owned the Tornado 3200 Windshear air blower, and I'm going to tell you what the cons are and what the pros are. And of course, you can get them off of Amazon, and you can also get them at Home Depot and Lowe's. They have 3 speeds: high, medium, and low, which is pretty self-explanatory right here. So low, medium, high. Alright, so 3 speeds, which is good in case you're using it and you don't want it to be too loud, but you just want to dry up a little small spill. And it's got this little stand here to where you can levitate it a few inches off the ground. They are stackable, so if you have more than one, you can stack them upon each other, which is pretty cool. Now they call it the 3200 because it will cover 3,200 cubic feet per minute. All right, so that's pretty powerful for what it does. So if you're in a room, it'll cover 3,200 feet. They have an extension cord that's 18 feet, which is it's decent. It's not the best, but it is decent. They do recommend that you plug it in directly into a wall and not at an extension cord like I have here. That's just because of the voltage and everything. So you should plug them into directly into a wall outlet. And for demonstrations, I want to blow it here in my house. All right, that gives you a little demonstration of how powerful it is. And if you also notice, it's not too heavy. It's about 21 pounds. So it's not heavy like some of them. So I think that's the perfect weight. Now the pros is that it's very affordable at the price. You can get them for around 300 bucks on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. So compared to DeWalt and a lot of the other brands, it's much cheaper. I think it's ideal for homeowners, like if you own a large house or an apartment or small house and you need to clean up little spills from your kids or your dogs. If you have a leak, like for example, I had a leak over here and I used it, there was like a concrete slab leak and I used it to dry it up. Did it very quickly, clean up carpet or to dry it, like if you shampoo and carpet clean your carpet, it's perfect for that. The design is it's like a spread, like an air spread. So it will come out and it will immediately spread. That's how the motor is worked and that's how it's designed. The vast majority of air blowers actually come in a straight line. And those are more ideal, like if you're, let's say, carpet cleaning in a large conference room, it'll go in a straight line and it's better at drying a whole room. Honestly, the Tornado is best for spot cleaning, or rather spot drying. So if you have a really concentrated area that you want to dry up, like this concrete slab leak was perfect for it. Or if you have a spill in little small areas, in attics, and like I said, with homeowners, it's best. So if it's a blower that you may use once a week or once a month, and not every day, I think the Tornado is perfect for homeowners and small handyman that are doing repairs in small units. If you're going to use it daily and you want to use it in large hotels and use it multiple times, I'd highly recommend you maybe get something more expensive. So for example, this covers 3,200 cubic feet per minute, but a lot of the DeWalts will actually go up to 6,200. That's a lot more powerful. However, they are more expensive. The cord is 18 feet, which is okay, but to be honest with you, it'd be good if it was a little bit longer, like around 25 or 30 feet. It's not too short, but it's okay. The cord length is okay. It's pretty good for compact and small jobs. Let me know if you're interested in getting one. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get one directly off of Amazon. Like I said, they're around 300 bucks. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.